In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Adobe Acrobat dark mode. If you prefer a darker interface that feels easier on the eyes, especially when working at night or for long periods, Adobe Acrobat makes it pretty simple to switch over. I'll walk you through the full process from the home screen all the way to saving the setting, so you can make the change quickly and confidently. To begin, go to your Adobe Acrobat homepage. This is the main starting screen where you'll usually see your recent files, tools, and account options. Make sure you're signed in so that your profile and settings are available. Once you're on the homepage, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on your account profile. This is where Adobe keeps your personal account options, including access to preferences and display settings. If you don't immediately recognize it, look for your profile icon or avatar in that corner. After opening the profile menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can control how Adobe Acrobat looks and behaves. Settings can include a lot of different options, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right place before moving on. Next, find the Appearance drop-down and click on it. The Appearance section controls the overall visual theme of Adobe Acrobat. This is the setting that lets you choose how the interface is displayed, including whether it uses a lighter or darker color scheme. From the drop-down options, click on Dark. As soon as you select it, you should see that dark mode is now chosen as your preferred appearance setting. This option is helpful if you want to reduce brightness on your screen or simply prefer the cleaner, modern look of a dark interface. Finally, click on Save. This is the step that confirms your change and applies the new appearance setting to your Adobe Acrobat account. If you skip saving, the theme may not update, so make sure you complete this final step. Once saved, Adobe Acrobat should switch to dark mode, giving the interface a darker background and a more subdued overall look. If you don't see the update immediately, refreshing the page or reopening Acrobat can sometimes help the change appear. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Adobe Acrobat dark mode. This is a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in comfort and usability, especially during extended reading or editing sessions.